We act boldly and have the fortitude to stand behind our recommendations, decisions, and actions. We take responsibility for the circumstances of our life and don't blame others or ourselves for what is wrong in the world or at the office. We see what is missing in the world as an invitation to become that which is required. Hi, my name is Ryan Harris, Vice President of Sales for Sunrun. Our team's responsible for achieving Sunrun's growth goals and driving an A+ customer experience in support of our mission to create a planet run by the sun. Courage to me is about being willing to take on things that haven't been done before. We as a company, we're a trailblazing organization. We're tackling challenges and creating solutions that nobody before has created, and sometimes that's scary. There may not be the obvious solution. We may not know exactly what we're going to do. But courage to me is about being willing to stand up and say, I don't know exactly how I'm going to get this done, but you can count on me. That to me is courage. So when I think about how I try and embody courage, what I'm really trying to think about is having a bias towards action and solutions rather than allowing problems to pass me by. I think courage is heavily related to being action-oriented and to trying to make our business, our processes, our customer experience, the experience of working with us as a teammate, a better and more productive experience. And that requires us to be action-oriented and solution-oriented and to not let things pass us by. Examples of people exhibiting courage at Sunrun, gosh, there are many of them I see all the time. I think a couple that jump out to me most recently is all the great advocacy work we've done on behalf of renewables and solar, not just for Sunrun, but for the entire category. You think of examples like Nevada, think of examples like South Carolina and Arizona, and the way we came together as a community, the way we advocated for customer rights. I think that was just so courageous, and it was a motivator for me and the organization, and something that makes me proud to be a part of the team. So how can you demonstrate courage? As I think about this, I think the number one piece of advice I'd give everyone is to take action. And I think that comes from a couple things. I think first, you have to be thoughtful about the decision you're going to make. You have to try and listen, you have to try and take in all the facts, and you may not have a complete picture, but you have to try and assess the situation as best you can. And from that point forward, we want people taking action. We want people acting boldly. We want people driving progress for our organization, driving progress for our customers. And I think that's the most tangible, tactical way to show courage is to take action, to not be passive, to be on the front foot and push the business forward.